Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, as you can see, this is my real trading account, not a demo account. We'll select the EUR CAD currency pair. Now let's select our indicator. Today we're going to use the RSI, Relative Strength Index indicator. Now let's buy our first trade. Now let me explain how to use the RSI indicator like a master. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, and it's a momentum oscillator. It simply shows you when the market is in an overbought or oversold condition. There is also something called RSI divergence. This happens when the RSI is moving in one direction, while the price is moving in the opposite direction. There are two types of RSI divergence: regular divergence and hidden divergence. Regular bearish divergence happens when the price is making higher highs, but the RSI is making lower highs. This is called regular bearish divergence, and it can signal a possible move to the downside. On the other hand, hidden bullish divergence happens when the price is making lower lows, but the RSI is making higher lows. This is called hidden bullish divergence, and it can signal a possible strong move to the upside. Now let's see what happens on the chart. As you can see, our first trade has been a win. Now let's place our second trade. This time we'll select the GBP AUD currency pair. As you can see, the RSI is giving us a sell signal, so we're placing a buy trade. Now let's see what happens. And as you can see, this trade has also been a win. If you want to receive daily free trading signals, make sure to join our Telegram channel. The link is available in the description below.